If you are looking for how to add find button to quick access toolbar in MS Word, then don't skip this video. So here you can see that this is the my access toolbar and I don't have any find button over here. So you need to right click on the access toolbar and click on the customize the ribbon. And on the left side, you will see that customize ribbon and then quick access toolbar. You need to click on the quick access toolbar and over you need to go here. The popular commands, you need to click on that arrow and click on all commands. So just scroll down and here you can see that find. Select the find and click on the add, and here on the right side you can see that the find button is added in the access toolbar. Simply click OK, and here you can see that the find button has been added to the quick access toolbar in MS Word. So in this way you can easily manage your work efficiently. So if you think this video is helpful, please support my channel. Thanks for watching.